back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix screen flickering issue on Motorola phones. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, make sure turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see a problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app, click on system and reset option, reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.